On our bill of fare today, we have strawberry puff puff. Just look at that, so beautiful. This was very flavorful and delicious. Trust me, you will love it. Okay, if today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes, and welcome to my kitchen. This is Lena, and please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. It is free, they don't take money, okay, if you do so. Thank you so much, and please follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Thank you. So I have with me here my 3.5 cups of soy milk. I'll go ahead and add a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar, mix it very well, and then place it in a warm place for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, so the milk is a bit warm, not hot but warm. Okay, it shouldn't be cold. So now that we are done with everything, I will mix it as I said earlier and place it in a warm place. So after 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use soft flour. I will add my half cup of sugar. So if you are making this and you want it normal taste, please add a bit more sugar to it, okay, because we don't like sugar. Okay, I've added my nutmeg, that is a teaspoon of nutmeg. I've added a tablespoon of my vanilla extract and a tablespoon of my strawberry extract, okay, pure strawberry extract. And please remember to add at least 1/4 cup of the sugar. Okay, we don't like sugar, and it will be better if you want it this way. Okay, but if you want the taste to be like the one on the roadside, the normal puff puff taste, you have to add at least half cup, the 1/4 cup of sugar extra to it. Okay, thank you so much. Now I'll go ahead and mix this very well so that we can get smooth texture, and also to get that uniform texture. Okay, as you can see, we have white somewhere, we have pink somewhere, we have another color somewhere. So you mix it very well. Now this is how it looks, and I just love what I'm seeing. So perfect and beautiful. I love it. This was so nice. So we will put it in a warm place for an hour, and after an hour, this is how it looks. I covered it. Okay, this is how it looks, and we are just going to take some of the air out so that we can continue with whatever thing we are going to do. I'll make sure I bring everything out from the wrapper or what we use to cover it. Okay, we bought it with our money. We don't have to waste it. Okay, so this is how we are going to drop our puff puff to get that perfect round shape puff puff. Okay, it should be beautiful. If you don't want it beautiful, that is your fault, but I want it beautiful. Okay, whilst we were doing that, I had my oil on fire, and now it is hot. I'll go ahead and drop my beautiful puff puff. It looks so beautiful already. Yes, you make sure the fire is not high and it is not low. At least it should be medium. Okay, if it is high, it is going to burn, and if it is low, it is going to absorb a lot of oil, and you know that is not good. Okay, the inside may not cook well, but outside will burn, and if it absorbs a lot of oil, that is very bad. Okay, so just like this is how we are dropping it, as you are seeing on the screen. Thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate it. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow me there, and on TikTok and Instagram we do short videos. Okay, you will love it there as well. Everywhere is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Take your time and drop your puff puff for that perfect outcome, especially if you are going to sell it. Okay, yes, so that is just what you are seeing on the screen. So now I'm just going to flip it, and as you can see, it is even rotating, okay, already, because it is not choked. Okay, there is space in the cooking pot or in the frying pan. Okay, so they are rotating. Okay, Thank you so much. Now, as you see it right now, our puff puff, okay, is ready, but we want it to look like that brown puff puff we all know, okay. So we are just going to leave it on fire and then play with it some more to get that beautiful brownish puff puff color. And after some few minutes, our puff puff is ready. Just look so beautiful. Oh my goodness. It looks so beautiful and so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and so I come your way next time. Please take good care of yourself, love yourself first, and eat healthy. So our puff puff is ready, and I'm sure I opened it earlier for you to see, so we are not going to open it again. See you in the next video, and please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. I love you. Bye.